Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is a very adventurous day for us because we are fixing a set of 22 inches rim for this very big, very beautiful, very luxurious BMW G12 74 LE M Sport. Since we are doing this, let me share you some tips about changing rim and tires for this car. And like always, I'm going to show you a few set of 22 inches rim which I think best suitable for this BMW G12. So before we proceed, I think it's very important for us to talk about the original stock rim specification. This BMW G12 comes with a stock rim of 19 inches. The front will be 19 x 8.5, offset 25 for the front. The rear will be 19 x 9.5, offset 39 for the rear. The PCD is 5 x 112. The front stock tires will be 245 45 19. The rear will be 275 40 19 tires. As for the tires, if you go for 22 inches, you can go for this size. Front 255 30 22, rear 295 25 22 tires. So the first rim I'm going to recommend you guys today is this Brixton Porsche RF10. Brixton Porsche is a rim manufacturer from USA and they produce a lot of beautiful and high quality rims suitable for all kinds of cars in the world. This model RF10 is their radial Porsche series rims. I have size from 20 inches to 22 inches, suitable for most kind of cars in Malaysia. So this rim based on them is inspired by the beautiful geometries in all classic racing. What I like about this rim, it has a very modern mesh type look. The spokes are very unique and beautiful. And this color, matte black color, will definitely make the car look very motorsport. So for people who prefer a more aggressive, more muscular look, this is the rim to go. So this is definitely one of my best seller of all Wallsigners. This is Wallsigner VFF 107. Wallsigner is a very famous rim brand from USA and this rim is very lightweight and very strong. 22 inches, just weight around 15 kg per piece, very lightweight. This rim definitely have one of my favorite mesh type look, and I always like a mesh type look for large sedans such as BMW G12. It make the car look very aggressive and look super big. This rim, together with their signature color, carbon graphite color, will definitely make the car stand out from the rest. So this is BC Forge EH308. BC Forge is a very famous custom forged rim brand from Taiwan, and this rim, we specially made it for this BMW G12. As you can see, the rim aligns with the car body perfectly, making the car look so muscular. The best thing about this rim, it has a very evergreen mesh type design, and it is a forged rim. 22 inches, just weight around 12 kg per piece, very lightweight. The rear rim is 22 x 11 inches, making the rim look so concave, look so big. 22 inches look a lot like 23 inches after fixing to this car. Overall, I think this rim is the best rim I can fit for this BMW G12. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like what we do here, please show some love, like the video and subscribe to us. And if you're looking for sport rims, please remember to check out King of Ring Facebook and King of Ring website. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.